Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to create a Happy New Year 2025 video using HitPaw Edimakor. Make sure to watch until the end and don't forget to subscribe. First, open HitPaw Edimakor and click Create a Video. If you haven't downloaded it, you can click the link that I put in the description area. Second, then TikTok and get the background music. Then TikTok and type Happy New Year 2025 in the search bar. Copy-paste the link and get the background music. Third, beat detection. Right-click the audio and select beat detection. Here let's choose the fast version. Fourth, add elements to it. Go to Elements and under Basic Stickers, choose New Year. You can see there are many templates for you to choose from. Drag them to the timeline and place them. Now let's add pictures or videos to it. Fifth, add videos to it. Import your videos and drag them to the timeline. Now adjust its duration to align with the beat sign. And that's the final result.
Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Thank you for the happiest year of my life.
Isn't that easy? If you think this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comment section. See you in the next video.